Welcome to a world of wonder and innovation. Today, we are diving into the realm of gadgets, where technology meets imagination. Ever wondered what incredible inventions are out there? From smartwatches to flying drones, we've got 20 gadgets that will blow your mind. Are you ready to explore the future? Let's embark on this exciting journey together. But first, can you guess what gadget might change your life forever? Let's find out. First on our list is Grip 6 Minimalist Wallet, the perfect solution for those tired of bulky wallets. First off, let's talk about its slim design. This wallet is sleek and compact, so no more dealing with bulky pockets weighing you down. When you need to grab a card or your driver's license, just slide your thumb across and it fans them out smoothly for easy access. No more digging through a cluttered wallet. Now, here's the cool part: this wallet can hold up to 14 cards when you use the leather jacket. That's pretty impressive for such a slim design. And don't worry about security, the locking mechanism keeps your cards snug and secure, so you can trust that they won't fall out. Oh, and did I mention it's RFID blocking? That means your sensitive information stays safe from electronic pickpockets, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Then are you tired of feeling like a volcano about to erupt because of all the stress in your life? Well, say hello to the Volcano Aroma Diffuser, your new best friend for relaxation. This awesome diffuser comes with two modes, Volcano and Flame. And guess what? It's got some cool LED light effects that create a super soothing atmosphere in your space. So, whether you're chilling out or trying to catch some Z's, this diffuser has got you covered. Safety first, right? That's why the Volcano Aroma Diffuser comes with an auto shut-off function. That means you can enjoy its calming vibes without worrying about anything going wrong. Plus, it's got the latest fogging technology, which helps improve the air quality around you. Breathe easy, my friends. Next is our pal Armor 1. So, what's Armor 1 all about? Well, it's not your average toy, it's a wooden assembly kit that lets you build your own weapon. That's right, you heard it. You can spend hours putting together this bad boy, and trust me, it's worth it. Why? Because once it's assembled, it's got a shooting mechanism that feels just like the real deal. And get this, it can hold up to 5 rounds at once. Who needs a real gun when you've got Armor 1, right? But hey, if you're looking for something a bit different, check out the Destroyer Jr. This thing is a beast. It's a 6-barrel rubber band machine gun that fires off a whopping 30 rounds per second. Yeah, you heard me right, 30 rounds per second. And the best part? It comes with interchangeable magazines, so you can reload on the fly and keep the action going. Now we've got the Tinker. Now, this one's a bit different. It's a wearable mechanical toy that you can control with your own movements. It's like having an extra pair of hands, but way cooler. With a 120-degree range of motion, you can grab, hold, and move things with ease. Talk about handy. Now let's talk about the pluggable 8-in-1 USB-C docking station. Ever wish you had an extra screen or more ports for your computer gadgets? Well, this docking station has got you covered. With 8 ports, including HDMI, you can connect another monitor or all sorts of other devices to make your work life a breeze. And here's the best part, it can even charge your devices while you're using them. Plus, it'll raise your phone or tablet to a comfy eye level, which is great for your posture and your eyesight. Next on our list is the ESR Halo Lock Stand. Need to charge up even more gadgets? This stand is perfect for you. It's sleek, portable, and won't take up too much space on your desk. But don't let its size fool you. It can charge up to 3 devices at once. Whether it's your iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods, this stand has got you covered. And the best part? You can charge your iPhone no matter how you position it, so you can keep using it while it charges. Another one is the Ear Micro T10 Bespoke X made with Raysure earbuds. These aren't your average earbuds, they're luxurious, hi-fi sound masterpieces. Made with superior audio technology from Klipsch and boasting a stylish design, these earbuds are perfect for the discerning audiophile who wants both style and substance. And check out that Gullwing storage case, talk about chic. Next we've got the Soncoloro G-Cube Luminous Armor case for AirPods. Already got AirPods? Well, this case is here to take your AirPods game to the next level. It's not just any ordinary case, it's crafted with luminescent materials, giving it a truly unique look. Plus, it features a super cool mechanical design that magnetically installs and has a hollow structure. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. This case also has a convenient switch, making it easy to use. And personally, I'm loving the purple-green color. It totally reminds me of Unit 01 from the Evangelion anime. So if you want to add some style and protection to your AirPods, the Sunkaloro G-Cube is the way to go. Next up, we've got the Hozo Neo Ruler Smart Ruler, the ultimate desktop measuring tool from Hozo Design. Tired of struggling with measuring? Well, say goodbye to all your measuring problems with this handy gadget. The Neo Ruler features a whopping 90 built-in scales, making it perfect for architects, designers, and engineers. And get this, it's super accurate, so you can trust it to give you precise measurements every time. Plus, it allows you to switch between metric and imperial measurements with ease. No complex calculations needed. But that's not all. You can even customize the ruler to fit your own scale preferences. And with the built-in screen, you can see all your results immediately. And if you want to save your data, no problem. Just use the app on your phone to store all your measurements. And don't worry about durability. The Neo Ruler is made from durable high-pressure aluminum alloy and has been tested to withstand over 18,000 continuous movements. So whether you're working on a big project or just need to measure something around the house, the Hozo Neo Ruler has got you covered. Moving on, the Creality Halette Ray 3D printer, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This printer is like a magician, turning your wildest imaginations into reality. With its fancy schmancy enlarged monomatrix and 6K screen resolution, it can capture every tiny detail of your model, leaving you with a smooth, textured finish that's just jaw-dropping. But that's not all. This printer is super safe too. It's got an efficient air filtration system, so you can use it at home or in schools without any worries. Plus, the updated software comes with a slicer called Halette Box, which is like your personal model doctor. It spots and fixes any defects in your model automatically. And get this, with the Creality Cloud app, you can work on your models from anywhere and share them with friends over Wi-Fi. How cool is that? You can even keep an eye on your prints in real time with the built-in HD camera. It's like having a little printing buddy right there with you. Next up, we've got something for all you folks who need to keep your stuff safe and sound: the Curious Ion Canister. This thing is like Fort Knox for your belongings. Made from tough stainless steel, it's built to last a lifetime. Its sturdy walls keep everything inside safe from water, heat, and anything else life throws at it. And check out that glow-in-the-dark stone on top. Talk about fancy. It makes finding your canister in the dark a breeze. So whether you're storing precious jewels or just your favorite snacks, the Ion Canister has got you covered. Now let's talk about the Anchorwork M650. Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to record something, but all you hear is background noise? Well, say goodbye to those days, because Anchorwork has come to the rescue with their latest innovation, the Anchorwork M650. It's a 2-microphone kit that you can easily clip or magnetically attach to your clothing. This gadget is perfect for content creators, whether you're doing video interviews or just want to improve the quality of your Zoom calls. With voice shield noise cancellation technology, dual-channel lossless pickup, and TrueLink 656-foot transmission, you can record with confidence no matter where you are. And the best part? It's super simple to use. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Plus, with up to 15 hours of battery life and a convenient charging case, you can keep creating without worrying about running out of juice. So if you're ready to take your content to the next level, the Anchorwork M650 is the perfect tool for you. Now, let's move on to the Powerland Usmile 65. We've all been there. Our smartphone or laptop is about to die and we're nowhere near an outlet. But fret not, because the Powerland Usmile 65 is here to save the day. This tiny charger may be small, but it's mighty. It can charge any device from your smartphone to your laptop in no time. In fact, the manufacturer promises that it can charge your iPhone 14 up to 50% in just 18 minutes. How awesome is that? And the best part? It's super compact and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Never stress about dead batteries again with this powerhouse charger by your side. Then we have the ZIP-C charging cable. Say goodbye to tangled messes and hello to simplicity with this multifunctional cable. What makes it stand out? Well, it's all about the zipper design. Yes, you heard it right, a zipper. This nifty feature helps keep your cable organized and neat, so no more fumbling around when you need to charge your devices. But that's not all. The ZIP-C cable is a true superhero when it comes to versatility. It comes with 3 different charging ports: Type-C, USB-A, and Lightning, making it compatible with all your devices, whether it's an Android phone, iPhone, or anything in between. But wait, there's more. This cable is built tough. With its waterproof design and ability to withstand up to a whopping 176 pounds of weight, it's the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. Plus, its expandable design means it can go from a compact 3.6 feet to a generous 6.5 feet in no time. Talk about convenience. Now, let's move on to the Maginite KT68 Pro keyboard. If you're someone who loves a blend of classic and futuristic design, this keyboard is tailor-made for you. It's not your average keyboard, oh no. With its 9.1-inch LED strip boasting 325 LEDs, it's like having a smart screen right at your fingertips. But that's just scratching the surface. This keyboard is also super smart. It can connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously, so you can switch between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone with ease. Plus, it's got 68 keys packed into the body of a 75-key keyboard, giving you all the functionality you need without taking up too much space. And let's not forget about the switches. They're silent and highly sensitive, ensuring a smooth and seamless typing experience every time. Need quick controls? No problem. There's a handy volume knob and toggle switch for easy adjustments on the fly. To top it all off, the Maginite KT68 Pro comes with a hefty 4000 mAh battery and a USB-C port for charging, along with a range of accessories to enhance your typing experience. Next up, let's talk about the Grabshell keyboard. Wow, just take a look at this beauty. It's a Transformer keyboard brought to you by Bravo, and it's seriously impressive. What makes it stand out? Well, it's all about that innovative modular design. Imagine having a keyboard with a joystick, a trackball, and a gamepad-style grip. It's like having multiple gadgets rolled into one. But wait, there's more. This keyboard isn't just about looks, it's got some serious functionality too. It's made with mechanical keys and original keycaps, so you're getting that premium feel with every press. Plus, it's super versatile. You can use it on your table or fold it up and take it with you wherever you go. Talk about convenience. And let's not forget about connectivity. You can hook it up via Bluetooth for wireless freedom or use a Type-C cable for a more traditional setup. Plus, with its powerful 2000 mAh battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted typing and gaming. How cool is that? Now, onto our next gadget, the ZimaBoard 832. Ever wondered what that thing is for? Well, it's a single-board computer that packs a punch when it comes to performance. Powered by the Intel Celeron N3450 processor, this little powerhouse comes preloaded with software and can run any other operating system you throw at it. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's got some serious expansion options. With a PCI expansion slot, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an HDMI port for video output, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're into high-performance network-attached storage devices or just love tinkering with tech, the ZimaBoard 832 has got you covered. Now, when it comes to buying a new phone, what's one of the first things we look at? Yep, you guessed it, the camera. And the Honor Magic 5 Pro doesn't disappoint in that department. This sleek smartphone packs a serious punch with its impressive camera setup, featuring not 1, not 2, but 4 lenses. We're talking a 50MP wide lens, a 50MP telephoto lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens on the front. Plus, it's got some special photography modes, including AI motion sensing capture. So, whether you're snapping pics of your furry friends or capturing stunning landscapes, this phone has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Honor Magic 5 Pro isn't just about the camera. It's got some serious power under the hood too. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a 120Hz circadian-friendly display, this phone is built for speed and performance. And with a hefty 5100 mAh battery that can last over 12 hours of heavy usage, you can stay connected all day long. Now, let's talk about the Honor Magic V, the foldable phone that's giving Samsung a run for its money. This bad boy features a 6.45-inch covered display and a 7.9 internal foldable OLED panel. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, your content is gonna look absolutely stunning. Plus, with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and 12 GB of RAM, this phone is as powerful as it gets. And thanks to its unique hinge design, you can fold it up without any gaps, and the teardrop shape reduces strain on the OLED panel. Best of all, it's way cheaper than the Fold. Talk about a win-win. Now let's talk about the Fimocus fidget spinner and shield spinner. If you're someone who likes to fidget with things to reduce anxiety, then this gadget is for you. With its creative design, it's like holding a shuriken right in your fingertips. But if that's not your style, you can easily turn it into a Euro toy. No matter how you spin it, the high-quality mechanism ensures smooth and fast rotation, all while staying super quiet. And the reflective green lines? They provide a stunning visual effect, especially in violet light. So whether you're a fidgeter or just love cool gadgets, this spinner is sure to impress. Now last but not the least, what makes this spinner stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, it's got these cool luminous strips that make it look even more like a real UFO. Imagine spinning this thing in the dark, it would look absolutely mesmerizing. But here's where it gets really interesting. The folks who made this spinner are big fans of Tesla. You know, the famous scientist guy. They're all about his theory on numbers and how they hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. So, they decided to sneak in a little something special, the 369 pattern, right into the bottom of the spinner. How cool is that? So, no matter which version of the Karmacide spinning UFO you choose, whether it's the one with the luminous strips or the one with the hidden 369 pattern, you're in for a real treat. These spinners are not only impressive to look at but also a nod to some pretty mind-blowing ideas about the universe. And there you have it, folks, some awesome gadgets to add to your collection. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.